Hello guys, how you all are doing? I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. This video is going to be about this Boat AirDops 131. Actually, I was searching for a true wireless earphones, and during this last Flipkart sale, I have got this device for a very cheaper price. I have got it for only rupees 799, and probably this was the cheapest price for this device ever since it has launched in the Indian market. I have already unboxed this device and I am using it since past 10 days, and in this video I'll be sharing my experience with these earphones. So let's get started. This is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Oni Online. So this is the box pack of Boat's AirDops 131, as you can see, and the box really looks very nice and I like the design. So on the front you have some features highlight, as you can see, that Insta Wake and Pair technology, Bluetooth 5.0, this is a very good thing, and you have the Type-C charging port, and on this side you have the MRP quoted over here, which is rupees 2999 only, and guys, again it is made in China and it comes with 1 year warranty. On this side also you have some features highlight. The carry case is 650 milliampere hour carry case, and it claims you can charge the earphones for up to 4 times. You have up to 12 hours of playback with this case and up to 3 hours of audio per charge for these earphones. Now just let me open the box and let me just show you the box contents, though I have already unboxed it and I have using it since past 10 days. So it opens like this, and you have the AirDops over here. This is the case, as you can see. Just let me keep it the side for now, and you have another small box inside, as you can see over here, and in this we have the USB type A to type C cable for charging. Yes, this is the cable. Apart from that, we have a lot of paperwork inside the box, and we have a Boathead sticker, as you can see, and here we have the quick start guide and user manual. This is the FAQ card and this is the catalog, as you can see, and here we have two another cards, as you can see, and this is, I think, the warranty card or something like that. Yeah, anyways, so let's just keep all this to the side and let us just see the earphones. So this is the earphones, guys, and you have the charging indicator lights over here. You have 3 LEDs over there and the Boat logo, as you can see, and here you have the Type-C charging port. So on this phone I have already paired this device and my Bluetooth is also switched on. So now just let me open the lid and the AirDops will be connected automatically whenever I will take out the earphones. Yes, as you can see, guys, here my earphones are connected. Also, just let me show you from the Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth, and yes guys, this is connected. AirDops 131. So it's a very cool feature that whenever you are taking out the earphones, it gets connected automatically. And now just let me give you an overview about the earphones. Okay, so here is the multifunctional buttons on both the earphones, as you can see, and guys, these are not touch sensitive buttons. These are actually tactile buttons, so you have to press this. So you can play and pause the music by tapping once on any of the earphones, like you can see right now. So yeah, it has started playing, and again, yeah, it has paused the music. So that is also a very good feature. Also, you can invoke your voice assistant by pressing it for 2 seconds. Yes, as you can see, Siri has already invoked. So how is the weather like today? Yeah, as you can see, so it has got the weather update over here. Just let me show you another example. So I am just pressed and hold this button for 2 seconds and Siri has already invoked. So what is the USD to INR exchange rate today? So yes, you can see the search results are over here. Okay, So this is a very cool feature, and also these buttons has many more other functionalities, as you can see on the screen right now. And guys, once you are done with using these earphones, you can simply put it back to the case in the correct orientation, like I am doing it right now, and it will get disconnected. And after putting it back into the case, you will see that these lights are glowing. So that means the charging case is actually charging the earphone, so that is nothing to worry about. I have seen many people are talking about this, that these lights are not turning off, so if there is an issue with these earphones, but guys, this is not an issue. Actually, this is charging the earphone, so that is why these lights are glowing. So guys, you have seen the box contents and the device. So now just let me rate the device on a few parameters. So on the build quality, I am giving it 9 on 10, because the build quality is very good and the device feels really very sturdy and strong enough. And now let's talk about the bass compensation. So bass compensation on this device is not very good, neither very bad as well, but yeah, you can say it above average. So on the bass compensation, I am giving it 8 on 10. Now let's talk about the mids and vocals. So the sound output of these earphones are really very crisp and clear, and you can clearly distinguish between different musical instruments and different voices. So on that department, I am rating it 9 on 10. And the last thing is the price to performance ratio. So on the price to performance ratio, I am rating this device 9 on 10 because the performance of the device is really very good considering the price point, and the sound output is very good overall. So considering the price point and its size, the sound output is really good and it's amazing for this particular price point. And guys, as you have already seen that these buttons are actually tactile buttons, these are not touch sensitive buttons, so that is a very good thing actually, because in this budget oriented true wireless earphones, these touch sensitive buttons never works perfectly. So I think this is a very good option Boat has chosen, that they have given the tactile button, so the button works perfectly every time. So that is a very good thing. And also the build quality of the device is really very good. And guys, the best thing is that it fits your ear in a very secured way. Initially I was thinking that this device may fall off the ear, but that is not the case guys, and it fits in your ear very securely, so the chances for falling off the ear is very less. Actually, it will not fall off your ear, so that's a very good thing. And I actually like this AirPods like design very much, and I feel it really very much comfortable in comparison with the in-ear type earphones. So that is why I liked its design very much, and I am very comfortable with these earphones. But guys, it has some cons as well. Now let's talk about this. Guys, this is a purely music oriented device and it's purely meant for listening to musics. But if you are using it for taking calls, your experience may not be very good, because I have taken a few calls with these earphones, and if it's a long call, then you may have some issue with the inbuilt microphone of these earphones. But for short call it's okay. But guys, this is not a calling oriented earphones, this is purely meant for listening to musics. But yes, you can definitely take calls with these earphones, and you just have to tap this button once on either earbuds to answer a call. It does the job. But if you are looking for a true wireless earphones for calling purpose, you can look for some other options. But overall, the build quality, the sound output is very good, and you will enjoy listening to music with these earphones. So guys, that's all for this video, and it was my experience about this Boat AirDops 131. If you have any question related to this device, please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask me directly through the Facebook page or the Twitter handle. And if you want to buy this device, the Best Buy link is given below in the description. So if you are using that link to buy this device, that will help this channel to grow a bit. And guys, if you have liked this video, please do hit the like button below. Also don't forget to share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. And thank you for watching.